Well, we'd always have some birds. They'd always come around and shout. When there was some death in our families, they called him the death bird. We never got to see it because he'd always come at night. As the sun got lower and lower, he'd be around then. But they never gave us any warning. Oh, we never ever saw them because of, they're too magical. They're very strong. Our bodies could not withstand their powers. Ours was a weak body in comparison to what they had been given. Yes.
Were you taught